Hello friends, my name is Himanshi Mida. Today I am answering all the questions related to the baggage handling. So let's start.
What do you mean by passenger luggage?
It is a personal property of the passenger, which is comfortable for the passenger during the journey.
Right. Is the process of transport, handling and clearing of passenger goods internationally standardized?
No.
Right. Depending on how the passenger luggage should be tied or what luggage the passenger is allowed to carry or how much baggage the passenger can carry with him.
One country to another, one airline to another airline, separate for international to domestic airport. Domestic.
Right. What is the type of passenger's baggage?
Checked baggage and unchecked baggage.
Right. By what other name is unchecked baggage known?
Cabin baggage and hand baggage.
Right. How is check-in baggage handled at the airport?
First of all, at the airline counter, baggage is weighted and then it is labeled and then handed over to the ground staff of the airline.
Right. What does the passenger get after handover their baggage to the airline ground staff?
Passenger get its receipt.
Right. Where are check-in baggage kept in an airplane?
By airplane hold.
Right. Can a passenger reach his check-in baggage during air travel?
Yes.
Wrong.
Okay, sorry.
If the passenger has to change the plane, what will happen to the passenger's check-in baggage?
Passenger not need to collect the baggage and again check in that on the another airplane.
Right. Passengers at the transfer airport are not required to collect their check-in baggage and check on another plane again. By whom is the transfer done at the airport?
By the ground staff. By the airline ground staff.
Right. What information should be traveler have on all check-in baggage?
Can you please repeat?
Yes. What information should the traveler have on all check-in baggage?
Contact information and name mentioned outside and inside the baggage.
Right. If the baggage has been lost or the tag has been removed, how can the luggage be detected in that case?
Contact information is written or is mentioned inside the baggage.
Right. Where is the passenger's hand baggage kept?
Passenger hand baggage is stay with the passenger in the airplane and it is under the overhead locker or in the below the airplane seat.
Right. Are cabin baggage weighted?
Not usually weighted, but until it's subject to any restriction.
Wrong. Which baggage is kept in plane hold?
Can you please repeat?
Which baggage is kept in the plane hold?
The baggage whose weight is more than 5 kg.
Right. If the passenger is traveling with a small baby, in that case, what additional luggage